Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make all open programs, softwares, apps name shows up in the taskbar of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have opened tons of programs or softwares. So you can see I have opened a setting, still the names of those open softwares or programs are not showing up in the Windows taskbar, right? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application name as WinHawk, and the first list will say its official website. Just click on it. Now click on download to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So let's double click it to run the software installer. Now click on OK, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now you can see the various options available inside this application. So now you can see here on the left side taskbar labels for Windows. So if you don't see this option here, then you can just click on this browse for modes and just search for taskbar labels. Then you will get this option and click on this details. And now just click on this install, click on accept. So finally the installation has been completed, and now you can see at the bottom the names of all open programs or softwares or applications are being showing up. As you can see here, settings, Windows security, recording, control panel, and the application itself here, it's showing everything. As you can see here, the control panel on our Windows taskbar. So if you want to remove the names, then just click on this disable, then it will restore back to default. And if you want to remove this option, then you can just click on remove, then it will get removed. So by using this application named as WinHawk, you can easily make all open programs, softwares, apps name shows up in the taskbar of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.